Losing a drone can be a frustrating and costly experience. Here are 8 ways to avoid losing your drone. 1. Understand the drone's capabilities. Before flying your drone, read the manual and understand the drone's capabilities. This will help you to avoid pushing the drone beyond its limits, which could lead to it flying away or crashing. 2. Perform pre-flight checks. Always perform pre-flight checks, including checking the battery level, propellers, and sensors. Doing so will help ensure that the drone is functioning correctly and that it is safe to fly. 3. Choose a safe flying location. Choose a safe and open location to fly your drone, away from trees, power lines, and other obstacles that could cause interference or damage. 4. Check the weather. Always check the weather conditions before flying your drone. Avoid flying in high winds, rain, or stormy conditions, as these conditions can cause your drone to fly off course or crash. 5. Use GPS technology. Most drones come equipped with GPS technology, which allows you to track the drone's location and return to its starting point. Use this feature to avoid losing your drone. 6. Keep your drone in sight. Always keep your drone within your line of sight. This will help you to avoid losing track of the drone's location and prevent it from flying out of range. 7. Follow local regulations. Always follow local regulations and laws when flying your drone. Be aware of no-fly zones, restricted airspace, and other regulations that could result in fines or penalties. 8. Invest in drone recovery technology. Consider investing in drone recovery technology, such as GPS trackers or anti-loss devices. These devices can help you locate your drone if it does fly away or get lost. By following these tips, you can avoid losing your drone and enjoy a safe and successful flying experience.